Go ahead and push it.
I did. Very good.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah. You're so cute. Hi. Oh. Oh, hi. Hi.
There he goes with his hands.
Yeah. Hi.
How much video do you want, Megan?
Oh, sorry, I'm looking around. No, that's fine. You looking at Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. He's just a pedaling underneath there.
Let's see. Pick up it. Pick it up. There we go.
Go with it down. Yeah, you move your legs, but you don't splash in this one, huh? Go with it down.